Hey there, everyone. Today, I'm really excited to share with you an incredibly simple and super useful trick that will let you download Instagram Reels directly through Telegram without the need for any Telegram bots. So, here's how it works. First, copy the link of the Instagram Reel you'd like to download. To ensure the link preview works flawlessly in Telegram, so the video plays right there when someone taps on it, all you have to do is add the letters DD at the beginning of the word Instagram in the link. As you can see, the Reel preview shows up perfectly in Telegram, allowing anyone to watch the video even if they don't have an Instagram account. Now, for the best part, if you want to download the Reel directly into Telegram, just add the characters d.dd right at the start of Instagram in the link. This tiny adjustment will embed the video directly into Telegram, making it a breeze to download and save it to your phone's gallery. Thanks a bunch for supporting us, and remember to follow for more awesome tips.